Hi, you guys. I hope you are having a really good day so far. Right now, it's actually later at night, which is why the lighting looks a little bit different. I just have studio lights on right now because unfortunately, the natural sunlight has gone away and it's only 7:30. Have I mentioned how much I dislike September because of the sun going away? I just can't. I just can't do September. However, what I can do is fall. I hate the sun going away, but I love fall. It's kind of a weird combo. And today I changed my hair color. So this is very, very freshly dyed. As you can see, I left my roots and dyed over them. So they're a little bit darker than normal. And this is actually a combination of Arctic Fox's Sunset Orange with a little bit of Purple Rain in it. The Purple Rain made it turn more of a coppery shade than just like a straight orange. And it's really interesting because under certain lights, it looks orange. Under other lights, it looks red. It's a really interesting color. I was thinking about putting like some yellow in it, maybe even like an underlayer of yellow when I go to redo it, but I actually really like it so far. It looks really nice and even because my hair takes red pigment so easily. Like the blues and the pinks it was fighting with, but the red and the orange it took like wonderfully. So this is what my hair color will be most likely for the next couple months through fall just because I love it. And I did my makeup a little bit differently today. I have like no foundation on. I just have concealer. I did a couple little freckles. My eyebrows are lighter. And I'm using a new lipstick I picked up from Urban Decay. I actually had red hair like a super long time ago, and it wasn't this orange though, it was more of a burgundy red, and I freaking loved it so much, and that's when my hair was like halfway down my back, and I always got complimented on it constantly. People thought the burgundy was like my natural hair, and I'm like, no, I don't know anyone who has naturally colored burgundy hair. Anyway, I'm loving this orange. I think it's fun. Let me know what you think of it down in the comments below or what hair color you think I should do next. I don't mind crazy colors. Obviously, I don't mind mixing colors. The only color I would probably never ever do would be like straight yellow all over my head because my complexion couldn't handle it. I can't even wear like yellow clothes or otherwise it looks really weird on me. But anyway, I am rambling a ton because, you know, new hair always makes me happy. But today we are actually going into my September Sephora Playbox because this just showed up at my door. So like always, you get your little poster thingy with your Sephora bonus point card on there. And the Playboxes are $10 a month, shipping included. I've been getting mine for probably maybe 2.5 years now, and I still really, really like them. Of course, some months are better than others, but that's just how it goes with any subscription box. Here is the bag this month. It's a really pretty, like, medium blue shade. So I'm just going to dump everything out. Ooh. Okay, right away I see one of my favorite products that I'm always super, super, super happy to get in these boxes. This is the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I've actually gotten this 3 different times in a Sephora Playbox. And this is one of those samples that I love getting every single time. They could probably send this to me every other box and I would not complain because this is probably one of my favorite moisturizers like ever. This stuff is so, so good. I really, really like it. So I'm very, very happy to have that. Okay, here's another one of my favorite brands. This is Briogeo. This is their Don't Despair Repair Deep Conditioning Mask. This is a really good mask. I like this one a lot. It's got coconut, avocado, almond, argan oils, B5, biotin, all kinds of good stuff for your hair. This is like a 10-minute mask though. So this isn't one of those ones that's easy to like do in the shower. So I would like shampoo and then put the mask on, put my hair up, go ahead and do the rest of my body and get out of the shower, like unless you have some major exfoliating and shaving to do, get out of the shower, and then when 10-15 minutes are up, go ahead and just use the shower wand to rinse out your hair. That's how I do the longer masks. But I'm really happy to see that. Next, we have a bronzer. I love that we finally get a bronzer sample in September when summer is over and I'm probably not going to be bronzing quite as much. This is the Bare Minerals Endless Summer Bronzer in Warmth. I've not actually tried any of the Bare Minerals bronzers. It's pretty though. It's not super dark. Okay, if I hold this up to my Too Faced Chocolate Soleil bronzer, it's very, very, very similar. It's maybe a little more cool toned actually though, at least in the pan. Yeah, this is a fairly cool toned bronzer. So this would definitely be probably good for contouring. It's also matte. It has no shimmer, no sparkle to it at all. So I will definitely throw this in my sample drawer and give it a try when I start running low on bronzers. This is the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix Setting Spray. It's supposed to be a 12-hour setting spray. Protect your makeup and keep its color fresh all day long. And it says it is moisturizing and boosts cellular oxygenation and skin radiance. And it's hydrating. They also say you can use it to fix glitters. Let's pop this out. Ooh, the package is so cute. Look how cute that is. It's really pretty. All right, you guys know I have to test the spray. Ooh, that's not bad. It's a fairly fine, even mist. It feels a little heavy when it comes out, so I would definitely hold it back fairly far. And the scent's kind of like a fresh baby powderish scent, but very, very light. So if scents bother you, that one probably won't. It's fairly light. All right, next up we have this. This is the Fresh Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment. Now, we've gotten another fresh lip product before. We've gotten the Sugar Advanced Therapy Dream before, and this likes to melt if you leave it in a car that is like more than 70 degrees. But anyway, let's pop this little one open. Very cute packaging. I love their packaging. Okay, and this looks like it's the exact same thing. It's just a tinted lip treatment. This one's just more of a rosy shade. Oh, wow. Yeah, the thing about these sugar ones is they are barely tinted. Like, I don't even think that counts as a tint. Ooh, and man, that has a strong smell to it. It smells like sugary sweet candy, which isn't bad, but I do prefer lighter smells in my lip products, and that one is fairly strong. And let's see, that was all 5 products. Okay, and then for our sample, we actually got this. This is the Giorgio Armani Si Passion perfume, which I have not smelled yet. It says it's a new feminine fragrance. Does that mean floral? Spritz test. Ooh, it's actually citrusy. Oh, thank goodness. I was terrified it was going to be heavily floral. Anytime anything says feminine, it usually smells like rose. Ooh, that's pretty. Okay, I'm going to peek in this little poster because usually it will say what the notes are for the perfume. Okay, it says it's floral. The top note is blackcurrant. The middle note is rose, told ya, and the bottom note is musk. I will say the blackcurrant smell, like the fruity blackcurrant smell, definitely overpowers the rose. Like, I can barely smell rose in this at all. So this is actually something I would wear. This smells really good. All right, let's go over everything we got real quick. We got the Belief the True Cream Moisturizing Balm, the Briogeo Don't Despair Repair Hair Conditioning Mask, the Bare Minerals Bronzer, the Sugar Rosé Lip Treatment from Fresh, the Makeup Forever Mist and Fix, and the Si Passion Perfume. I keep wanting to say she because in Korean when you have the letters that are romanized to S and I in English together, it makes the she sound. So anytime I say S-I, I automatically want to turn it into she. So I had to like fight to say C. Favorite thing in here, easy. The True Cream Moisturizing Balm. I mean, absolute favorite thing in here, hands down. Least favorite thing, probably the Bare Minerals Bronzer, just because this is going to sit in my drawer for like the next 8 months, most likely. I'm not going to use this a lot. I have a lot of other bronzers, and this one, it is cooler toned, which is nice, but it's a little meh. I mean, even when I swatch it, it looks a little bit patchy, so I don't know. I will give it a shot. I just don't know if I have high hopes for it. I could be wrong though. All right, you guys, that is everything we got in our September Sephora Play box. This is definitely not one of my favorite boxes ever, but it's absolutely not the worst box I've ever gotten. I will absolutely at one point or another use all of the products in here, which is awesome because I have gotten some where I've been like, no, I'm just not going to use that at all. I definitely will use everything in here, and generally it's a decent box. If you guys got the Sephora Play box this month, go ahead and let me know what you got in your box this month down in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys, and I'm always curious what you guys got in your box that's different from what I got, because I know everyone typically gets something different. I think they send out like maybe 10 or 12 different box variations. I'm not quite sure how many there are, but I'm just curious if you guys got anything that you love too. If you like my video today, please go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't yet, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. You can also keep up with me on Twitter, Instagram, and Facebook. I am pretty much everywhere, and all the links for those are down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again very, very soon. Bye.